Right. Well, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Tintoretto first, and he was a bit of a rebel, so I'm going to do it in a rebellious way myself. So
You're gonna share your screen.
I'm going to no, I'm going to I'll do something. Let me get some. Let me get my notes.
What's this?
I'm Tintoretto. This is history come to life, just as Jonathan would tell you. I was born in 1518 in Venetia. My parents were cloth dyers, so I learned the way to color. In fact, my name, Tintoretto, means little dyer. I was so impressed by Titian. I studied under him, but he saw my obnoxious behaviors and could not deal with me. But I still admire him. I wish I could be the drawer of Michelangelo, but with the colors of Titian. I kept this passion in my heart as I practiced my drawings. From fine little models, I artificially light. From the light of Venice, as you know, the reflection of the waters puts light in many different places. This became my signature look. My religious views were always present, though, with the humbleness of Christ and his belongings. I did not portray them as these magnificent golden sculptures, but the humble people with true behaviors inside them. My paintings are told as theatrical performances. The stories distort the space and put the characters together with my magnificent lighting. Oh, I'm so proud of this. Everyone looks at this, how the proximity of darkness and light, from light to shadow, contrast against all my competitors. I was getting intense with the colors. I took advantage of the new technologies in painting. My very loose, expressive brush strokes have got some criticism, though. They were gestures, expression, not a copy. No copy. When my competition came to the younger Venezia, he was more realistic, an alternative. But I outlasted him, not only in knowledge and age, but in my work. There was a lot of commissions coming in, but let me tell you about my little nature here. When there was a palace to be painted, all artists invited to come and paint a sample. When I walk in, I show them nothing. As they look up and I reveal the ceiling, I had already painted their palace. And I give it as a gift because I knew they could not reject a charitable gift. I became the artist to paint the palace. I almost laughed to myself. So eventually I became an exclusive to paint the entire buildings. That is a little bit of me, Tintoretto. I hope you remember.